Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Limited. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, smart key system for easy access, roof rails, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this RAV4 has to offer. Helping ourselves inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a sec. This RAV does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand in there and the vehicle will unlock. On the bottom you have some storage space. Above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And right next to the handle you do have your seating presets. All-weather mats, black soft-tex seating. On the bottom you do have your power adjustment buttons. So now let's hop inside. Start it up. It is a push to start. You put your foot on the brake and press that start button right there. On the left side of the steering wheel you have this cluster right here, which will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up in the center there, like so. You also have your volume buttons, hands-free calling and voice recognition system. On the right you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with your radar cruise control and your lane departure assist. And right here you do have your cruise control speed settings. This RAV does have navigation. Right now we're on home. It's got the split screen, and right there you do have your map. If you press it, that'll enlarge. The audio will take you to your sources. You got your AM and FM options, of course, as well as your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There's that backup camera. You get this split screen as well. View right behind, and you get this 360 bird's eye view. Let's put that in park. Moving down to our climate control settings. It's a dual zone system. You got these nice smooth dials, and you can adjust the temperature to your liking, and the passenger can do so as well. Underneath, passenger and driver heated and cooled seats. You have your key wireless charger. Put your phone there and it'll charge right up without any cables. Just make sure that power button is on. There you have your USB and auxiliary port and your 12-volt outlet. Next to the shifter you have your different drive mode, cup holders, center console. Nice and simple. You got 2 USB ports in there and a nice little shelf up top. In the center, or sorry, on the passenger side, you have this convenient shelf here. And underneath you do have your glove box, nice and simple, plenty of space in there as well. Let's just close that right up. So before we head inside, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom you have storage in the door, just like the driver's side. And up top you do have this button right here for the passengers. They do have their own heated seats. More all-weather mats equipped here as well. Continuing with that black soft-tex in the center here, if we pull this down, you got 2 nice cup holders in there and a nice little armrest. And lastly, to show you, these seats do fold down. Just pull that up. That'll just give you access to your cargo. So a few things to show you before we open up the back. On top you do have those roof rails as well as that shark fin antenna. Under the Toyota emblem is that backup camera. And underneath here you do have your dual exhaust. So to open up, just hold this button on the key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own. Lots of cargo space in the back here. Of course we have the folding seats that do go down. So you just need that extra bit of room. On the right side here you do have a nice little storage compartment as well as a 12-volt outlet above that. And lastly, right underneath here, if you pull this up, you do have your spare tire and all the tools in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just press this button right up top and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Limited. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth compatibility, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down, take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.